Hmm.
Okay, ready? Ready? అవుతుందా?
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manjunath Estragadi, serving as Assistant Professor in Government First Grade College Savadagi. This session is prepared for BA 5th SEM and this is an elective paper, Development of Modern Geography, and the session is 6th. So in this session it will be the development of modern geography, early modern geography, contributions particularly from Arabs and the Indians. As quick recap, what is TO? TO is Terram Orbis Terrarum, and the Almagest is a book which is written by Ptolemy. What is the work of Strabo? Strabo had written some 3-4 books, of which Meteorologica was an important one. Geocentric theory or approach was given by Ptolemy. Name the works of Strabo. How many volumes are there in the historical memoir, which is 17, and name the work of Ptolemy, Geographica and Almagest. Arabs showed special interest to geography due to their special surroundings, particularly their environmental surroundings was such that they showed special interest, particularly in understanding the celestial movements, and preceding period of dark age was the diminished the spirit of scientific growth, particularly in various sciences, humanities, etc. Greeks and Romans achievement reached to the highest glory with the work of Aristotle and Ptolemy. However, geographical literature started around 800 AD, and with this, Baghdad was their capital. Outstanding contributions were made by these Arabs, particularly in the field of mathematical, physical, and regional geographies. Achievements in climatology, oceanography, geomorphology, linear measurements, determination of cardinal points, limitations of habitable world, and movements of oceans and continents were studied by the Arabs. Now, now let us go on listing the contributions made to the field of mathematical geography. With more influence of Hindu astrology, mathematics from Aryabhatta and Khalifas patronized their ideas, and therefore they were also equally influenced by Greek ideas, particularly in the field of space, shape, and size of the Earth. They had geocentric ideology, which was already put forth by Ptolemy, and prime meridian was plotted by Ptolemy was used for the calculation of time, and longitudes was continued in their time as well. This longitude passed through the Fortunate Islands and Ujjain, which is in India. For determination of latitudes, they made use of sun shadow where it used to fall on the meridian. Al-Mabatam measured circumference of the earth to be around 27,000 miles. They divided the earth into 5 zones as Greeks did: the torrid zone, two temperate zones, and 2 frigid zones. Second, contributions to the climatology. World trade made Arabs travelers, and they gathered a lot of information about climatic conditions. In 921 AD, Al-Baqi gathered climatic data which were obtained from the travelers, and he prepared the first climatic atlas of the world, which was called as Kitabul Ashkal. And then Al-Masudi described the Indian monsoons. Al-Masdiki divided the world into 14 climatic regions. He opined that southern hemisphere was mostly oceanic, and northern hemisphere was comprising most of land or continents. Ibn Khaldun, Al-Baruni, Al-Masudi described the influence of climate on vegetation and people's lifestyle. Ibn Khaldun found that people of warm climates were passionate. Negroes are black as they live in hot climates. Further, he found that houses and settlements are on the southern slopes and also near the water sources or springs. Third, contributions to geomorphology. Al-Biruni wrote Kitabul Hind. He said that stones were round because they rolled down the torrential mountain streams. He discovered that alluvial soils became more finer in texture away from mountains. Arsina keenly observed works of agents of denudation and ascertained that streams eroded the mountain slopes. Highest peak occurred when rocks are resistant to erosion. Mountains are immediately exposed to weathering and erosion. Contributions to oceanography. Arabs proved that the tides are caused due to gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. Al-Masudi observed variations in the color of ocean water and attributed to the variations in the salinity of water and also presence of vegetation. On the whole, Arab geographers did a lot of contributions to the field of geography as they took help of Greeks, Indians, Romans and geographical works and developed the medieval geography. Next, Indian geographical concepts. In short, Indian geography, which has long history, particularly from Rig Veda and all, to the latest Upanishads and Rama and epics, etc. Geographical information contain mythology, philosophy, epics, history, and sacred laws or sacred books. Vaidikas, the Ramayana, Mahabharata, works of Buddhist Jains, Puranas were main source of Indian geographical concepts. Particularly works done by Varahi Mira, Brahmagupta, Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, Bhattila, Utpala, then Vijayanadi and others helped in the development of astronomy, mathematical geography and cartography. The term Bhugol was first used, which is also geography, was first used in Surya Siddhanta and in Padma Puranas. Difference between Bhugol, that is geography, Khagol, that is science of space, and Jyotishkara, that is astrology, is mentioned in the above said books. Vedas contained artistic origin of the universe, mechanical origin, instrumental origin and philosophical origin. So there were different ideas which were related to universe, but in a different fashion it was been given. Rig Veda describes 34 heavenly bodies, 37 constellations, 5 planets which were already known to Indians, that is Buddha, that is Mercury, Shukra, that is Venus, Mangala, that is Mars, Brahaspati, that is Jupiter, and Shani is Satan, were also treated and worshipped as gods. Varahi Mira studied the effects of eclipse on month-wise. Both lunar and solar eclipse taking place in the month caused disaster was being found by Varahi Mira. Panchasiddhika and Aryabhatta estimated equatorial and meridional circumference. Surya Siddhika and Aryabhatta calculated the mass or weight of the earth to be around 6586 into 10 raised to 24 tons. Latitudes, that is Akshansha, and longitude Deshantra, that is cardinal points, directions, earthquakes were also known to them and they did study more of them. Bhaskaracharya calculated the thickness of the atmosphere to be 12 yojanas, that is around 154 kilometers. Rig Veda mentioned 5 seasons: Vasanta, Grishma, Purovirita, then Sharada and Hemanta. World known during the Puranic time was divided into 7: Jambudipa, that is northern hemisphere, then Koshudipa, that is Miru, that is Pamir, then Palkshika Dvipa, that is land of Mediterranean Sea. Rig Veda mentioned 5 seasons as already was said: spring, spring which is Vasanta, Grishma, that is summer, Prorita, that is rainy, Sharada, that is autumn, and Hemanta is winter. See, during those time, according to Puranic period, world was divided into 7: that Jambudipa, Kaushudipa, then Palaska Dvipa, then Pushkara Dvipa, then Shalmala Dvipa, then Karunsa Dvipa, and Shaka Dvipa. So these were the islands were mentioned. So this lot of geographic information was given and developed during the Arabs as well as Indian period of time. So thank you for watching and keep enjoying and have a good health. Thank you.